we doing?
David, I have the funniest thing. I heard that if we hypnotize these chickens and then we throw them off the roof, they will flap their wings. They'll wake up and they'll flap their wings right when they hit the ground. Do you want to do it with me?
Yeah!
This is awesome. Come on, David. All right, we got to gather a chicken, grab it. Oh, good job. Wow. That was fun. Okay, hold it down, hold it down. All right, hold its head, hold its head. All right, you ready? Are you ready, David?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Look at the line. Look at the line. Look at the line. Look at the line. He's already hypnotized. Okay, now let's take him off the roof. Okay, let's go. Okay. Just right here. Okay, ready? All right. Yeah, right. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Okay, this is. All right. You ready? Throw them off. 1, 2. That was awesome. Good job. Yes. That was awesome. Should we do it again?
Sure.
All right.
No,
All right. David, get a chicken. Get another one. Get another one. All right. All right, you ready? All right. Hold it down. I'll hold it down this time. You say it.
Look at the line. Look at the line. Look at the line. Look at the line.
Totally hypnotized. All right, let's take him. Come on. Hurry. Run, 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 run. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop now.
David Allen Christensen, you are in big trouble. David Allen Christensen, you come here right now and bend over. No.
Easy.
I want you to go and take this knife and chop a stick that's about this big. And let me spank you with
Like you're cutting up. And keep crying out. It's perfect.
I don't want to go. Now David has now Marvin has already been in trouble. Now bend over. Turn around, David. You know I love you, and I love you too.
Learn your lesson?
So have you learned your lesson? Yes. Never do that again. Okay.